I hope you are good. My name is Rohit Kumar and welcome back my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt. Let's get started. And before that, uh, I have some agenda for this video, like how to create app, how to create object, and how to create the field, and how to use your app. So, and what is the sequence of creating these all things. Okay, so first of all I will explain everything related to these roadmap, like app, object, fields, and how to use your app. So let me open my pen and pen. Okay, and this pen I draw some images like this, and like here one this. Okay, and here one this, and this is okay. So let me give this one. So here this, and this, and also this, and with the sequence. First of all, every time when you want to create any app, first of all in Salesforce we need to create app. This is the first step, app. Okay, this is first step. Second one, objects. Okay, and third one, fields, and finally use your app. This is the roadmap, and the sequence is, just give me a second, here this one, and this one, and also this one. So just this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. The sequence always going to bottom to top like this. So let me draw one line like this. Here this, just give me a second, and this one, and this, always going this thing related to this roadmap. This is the roadmap, in Salesforce. Okay, this is the roadmap, and okay, this is the roadmap, and you can see here app is the first step in your Salesforce org, and object is the second level, and third is the third level, and finally we used the app. And the sequence always going to bottom to top like this direction. You can see this direction. Okay, so this is the roadmap of Salesforce. So let me open my Salesforce org, so you can easily understand for this. So this one, this is Salesforce org. So I hope you like this video. Because of this video purpose only, to easily understand the roadmap in Salesforce. So next video I will create like app, objects, and fields, and how to use your app. And upcoming videos like how to upgrade your classic application into the Lightning. So it's very helpful for every developer is like fresher or experience. not extra experience like 2 plus 3 plus experience. So only just this video purpose only understand for fresher and 1 year experience guy. So I hope you will like this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, share, comment, and like this video, and please give me your genuine comments and like. So thank you guys for giving your time. Thank you guys. Bye. Take care.